Here we have a multiplication computation strategy. It's the split strategy this time. It's 2-digit times 1-digit. This is a strategy you might like to do after you have done the area model, because it's pretty much the same thing, just without the diagram. Okay, so let's have a look here at our actual question. We have 62 multiplied by 3 equals I don't know. And as usual, we're going to plan and check for reasonableness. Okay, so the planning part, we're going to draw a mad T. It's multiplication. And we know we use the triangle for multiplication. So I've got 3 groups of 62 or 62 groups of 3, whichever way you like it. So that means it's going to be same as 62 plus 62 plus 62. Okay, so it's going to be a lot bigger than 62. So 62 times 3 is I don't know. So I know that my answer is going to be larger than 62 and larger than 3. Okay, let's estimate our answer here. So I'm going to round 62 down to 60. So that's going to be like 60 times 3 equals 6 times 3 is 18. But it's upper place value, so it's 180. Now, because I rounded down, that means my answer is going to be greater than 180. Okay, and is my answer going to be odd or even? Now, I've got an even number in 62 multiplied by an odd number in 3. Now, any even number multiplied by anything is going to be an even number. So I know that the answer is going to be even. Okay, let's get on to using the split strategy. Now, when we do the split strategy, especially when we're starting out, we are going to split the 2-digit number. We don't have to split 3, obviously. Okay, so 62 is going to be 60 plus 2. So I'm just breaking it into my place value parts. So what I'm going to do is multiply my 60 times 3. So if I was doing the area model, it would have looked like this, right? It would have been 60 and 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, but this time, instead of just doing the 60 times 3 here and the 2 times 3, we don't have to draw the area at all. We're just going to do the multiplication. So I'll do 60 times 3 equals 6 times 3 is 18, but it's upper place value, so that's 180. And I'll do 3 times 2, or 2 times 3, and 2 times 3 equals 6. And we'll add those together. 180 plus 6 is 186. So let's have a look now at our checking for reasonableness now. Is my answer greater than 62 and greater than 3? Yes, 186 is greater. Is it a bit bigger than 180? Yes. Is my answer even? Yes, it ends with a 6, so it must be even. I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to write my answer 186 and double underline it, and I'm ready to move to the next question.